Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a tarpapel in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your preferred browser and open canva.com. Now you will need two websites. First is obviously Canva, while the second website is Docuslice. Initially, get to Canva and then search for the type of image you would like to use. For this tutorial, I will be using an invitation template. So, just open the template, edit it, and then save it as a PNG. Once done, open a new tab and then search for Docuslice. Then, open the official website and sign into your account. Next, add an image by clicking on the image icon at the top, and it will be displayed on your screen. Now, change the number of slices from the bottom of the screen, and also change the image dimensions according to the canvas. After you're done with it, click on the export icon, and then select the type of margins you would like to have. Finally, export the document as a PDF and save it onto your device. So that's basically how you can make a tarpapel in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.